Hello, today I'm in Honda Accord. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control and how to manage it. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel and firstly accelerate to desired speed. Now press the Mind button. Cruise control is enabled, you can see that by these two icons right here. And now select Set button. Once it's set, you can increase the speed by pressing Res acceleration button or decrease by pressing deceleration button. To pause cruise control, press Cancel. To start it over, press Set again. To disable cruise control, press this Mind button again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.